Hello everyone, I'm Gowthami Kota, a fourth year CSM student at Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering. Today, we'll explore something we use every day, but rarely stop to think about it. That is networking. By the end of this video, you will know what networking is, what computer networks are, and why they matter. I would like to start with an analogy first. Imagine you are sending a letter to your friend who lives in another city. You write the information that you want to convey to your friend in a letter, put it in an envelope, and drop it in a post box by writing the address and all. Now, the postal system ensures it reaches the correct address, right? So, this is what exactly happens when it comes to networking. But instead of letters, we send the data from one device to another device. Even though the term networking sounds technical, at its core, the idea of networking is simple. Networking is the art of connecting devices so that they can share and communicate with each other, right? So here devices are like different cities, and networking is like building roads between cities. Once the roads are there, cars can move freely. Here, cars are like the data packets or the data that you want to transfer from one device to another device or from one city to another city. And the roads are like cables, which can be wired or wireless connections that employ and transfer the data from one place to another place. Now, when we apply this concept of networking in the world of computers, that's what computer network is. A computer network is basically a group of devices like laptops, phones, or printers, or it could be anything connected so that they can talk to each other, they can exchange their information, and they can communicate with each other. But they just don't connect randomly with each other. That's why they follow some common rules called protocols. Talking about protocols, in the networking, protocols are just like traffic rules in the cities. If every driver follows the same rules, like stopping at the red lights and driving on a certain side of the road, traffic flows smoothly, right? So if people ignores the rules, traffic jams, accidents, and chaos can happen. And the same thing applies to networks also. If the devices do not follow same communication rules, data exchange would fail. That's why protocols plays a major role in exchanging the information between devices. Now, if you still think why networking matters or why networking is important, I want you to imagine waking up a day with no WhatsApp, no Zoom calls, no Netflix, no LinkedIn, no internet. Sounds difficult, right? This is because networking is the backbone of everything we do today. It's not just about connecting devices, it's about connecting people, businesses, and the entire digital world. From sending a simple mail to streaming your favorite series, from online gaming with friends to storing files securely in the cloud, networking makes it all possible. And without networking, the modern internet, of course, the thing we rely on every second, simply would not have existed. So, yeah, that's all about networking in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand networking in a simple and clear way. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you find this useful and informative, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video. Bye.